Hey there everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Instagram notification sound. So open up your Instagram and go to your profile. Once you're there, go to the three little lines and click settings. Once you've done that, click on notifications, and here you can click on post stories and comments. And if you scroll, you can see that you can only turn off the notifications. But if you click on additional options in system settings, right here, you have all the different types of settings for your app notifications. So what we need to do is go into our settings, find the app. Let me just open up app settings, apps, Instagram, click on notifications, and here now we need to find the notification that we want to change the sound for. And it depends on what you want to even be notified for. So for example, I'm just going to show you just let me see, Instagram Direct, for example, where I receive messages. I've allowed the notifications, I've turned off gentle notifications, and I've changed the notification sound to Pixies. You can pick any of your system sounds, or you can pick any music from the device. And you can do this from any of the notifications that you want to be notified for, and you can change their sound on all of them. Just click notification sound, and that's it. For comment likes, for example, scroll down, click on notification sound, choose what you want, and that's it. That's how to change all the notification sounds that you want on Instagram. And I hope this helped. If it did, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good one.